Hi guys, it's David Myerson here from Business Chatbots. So I wanted to put together a quick video for you. If you bought a chatbot from me and you want to install it yourself on your WordPress site, then it's super easy to do, nothing to worry about whatsoever, and I'm going to show you. So initially what you would have had when we went through the building of the chatbot, I would have sent you a file which would have been this file here, zipped up file, Conversio bot. Along with a 6-figure code, which I'll show you in a second. So what you need to do is you need to go to your website, you need to go to your control panel. If you built the website yourself, or perhaps if your designer can help you out, then it's a simple thing to do. What we're going to do is we're going to install a plugin. So you go down on the left hand side here, you'll see a thing called plugins, and it will come on with add new. So you click on this, it'll then want to know where the plugin is. So you have to upload the plugin, and then you have to find the file that you put it in. And we know ours is on the desktop and it was in chatbot stuff. I would then find the file, double click it. That would then come back in here and it would start uploading it. Once you've got your plugin uploaded and it's all done, it'll appear when you click plugins under here as all the installed plugins that you've got. Now Conversio bot will show up. Now mine's already activated, but it will say activate. So all you do is you press your activate button on the Conversio bot, and that's it, it's activated. Then what you'll see down here is the plugin itself on its own. So you click on that. That will then open up the Conversio bot. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is put in the code that I sent you as well, so a 6-letter and a number code, and then you're good to go. So once you've done all of that, you can then go to your website and boom, your chatbot will be down the bottom, either this side or perhaps that side. And we'll have it set to either open up when someone opens up your site, or when someone hovers over it, or after a few seconds. So this particular one is, I'd have it set up on our other site to only open up when you click on it. So you click on it and it opens up and starts interacting with you. For another one, we've got Ivan's & Co, which is an estate agent. Theirs is on this side. So when you click on theirs opens up. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope it's been helpful. Just one other thing, if you're not using WordPress, then you have to install a bit of HTML code, which I send you rather than a file. And again, super easy, so I can help you out with that. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching.